What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a performance upgrade to the car. I'm gonna put a purge kit on it. For the ones who don't know what a purge kit is, all it is a solenoid with a button to release any kind of air out of your nitrous line to try to get peak horsepower with the nitrous. All it is, whenever you see those guys go to the line and they start to, purge out nitrous throughout their hood and throughout the side of their car, all it is, they're trying to make sure they got all the air out of the line, making sure the PSI is right, and then making sure it is spraying. So it's a good thing to have. A lot of people used to, get out of their car and crack the line with a wrench to, do it like that. And then too, whenever you turn your nitrous off, you still have air in the line. So what I will call it like a degassing. You just want to release all that gas pressure off of out of the line. So whenever you unhook your bottle, you won't have a lot of nitrous pressure to it. Basically that's all that is. And I'm gonna do a little walkthrough to show you how it looks, and try to get it hooked up and turn it on for you guys. I ordered it from Summit Racing. Basically all it is it's coming in a little small box, bubble wrap, a black box. Okay. A lot of people didn't know that Zex was owned by Cam. Zex is a good company. A lot of people, they, you got different nitrous companies, Nitrous Express, it's a lot of different ones, but I mean, if you're trying to, have fun and you want to get into racing and you're trying to save money, you don't want to spend a lot sometimes, or you want good quality. Like I say, you got different brands to go by, but I go by Zex. It's pretty cheap. This whole kit was $108. So you got this nitrous solenoid, you got the T fittings, you got your wire, you got all your hardware, brackets. You got a button in there. You got your braided line, which is a 3A, and then you got your nitrous hard tube purge line. That's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and get started. All right, this is a little sneak peek under the hood. Ain't too much. Got a fast intake. This is the nitrous system on it. It ain't too much. It's got headers on it. That's pretty much it. Okay, what you want to do, you want to get two 15mm wrenches, unhook the nitrous line, make sure the bottle is not hooked up, and you want to make sure your hot post on your battery is unhooked, and take your nitrous line loose from your main box. And then you want to take loose your fuel rail line. Be careful, it's going to leak a little gas. So you want to just bleed it just a little bit before you just screw it all the way off. Make sure you have a rag. Okay. And then you want to go ahead and unhook the bottom fuel line rail. It's not bad. Okay. And after you do that, lay them to the side. Go ahead and get your adapter with the 90 degree elbow in it. Screw it on. Depending on the car you have, you might have more room than others. But as you see, it's pretty tight. Then you want to get a 3/4 wrench. You want to go ahead and snug it pretty tight and don't over tighten it. Okay, then while you can, you can go ahead and hook your fuel rail back up. Okay. you want to tighten those back up, 15 wrench. And then you go ahead and hook your main nitrous line back up to the fitting. And it's just 15 millimeters. Okay. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and get your solenoid ready. You want to go ahead and hook your bracket up. Basically, it's going to be almost like that. It's going to be like that, and you can position it upwards, downwards, however you want to mount it. That's how your bracket going to be. All right, so I found out where I wanted to put the solenoid at. If you got a Camaro, like I say, it would be best probably if you wanted to come out the top part right here with the middle of your glass at, probably best to take one of your ignition coil bolts out, get the bracket to go facing this way, and get your purge line. It's got to be inlet now. Have your purge line going inlet this way, then your outlet line right here will be your purge line going out. Okay, so you want to go ahead and take the caps off. Go ahead, and then too, this solenoid, it does has a filter in it. It's like a screen to stop any kind of trash or debris to get in it. That's a good little thing that I just noticed. So you want to get this fitting, the screw into your inlet, screw in. And it already has like a thread sealant on it, which is pretty good. So this is where I ran the line for the purge. I ran it coming up through the windshield wiper blade. It's right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the switch in. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it by my lights, a cigarette lighter switch. All right, pretty much got all the wiring done. It's pretty much simple. Just from the solenoid, you gotta run one wire to your switch, and run another wire from the solenoid to a ground. Then from your switch, run another wire to a 12 volt wire, and that's pretty much it. All right, finished it up. I got my little brother SS92 392 on YouTube, so he gonna do a little test shot on it for you. But it wasn't too bad. I got it running with my nitrous switch, so whenever I turn my nitrous on, that's when the button is activated. So it's pretty safe like that. But he gonna go ahead and hit the button for you. Let you see how it look. There you go. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Like, share, subscribe, and we out.